In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Indian movies in Amazon.de on PC. To get started, open a web browser on your computer and go to Amazon.de. Once the site loads, sign in to your Amazon account so you can access all available Prime Video features. After that, open Prime Video from the Amazon website. This is where you'll be able to search, browse, and watch available movies directly from your PC. Once you're inside Prime Video, go to the search bar and click on it. Here, you can type in helpful keywords to find Indian films more quickly. For example, you can search for terms like Indian movies, Bollywood movies, Hindi movies, Tamil movies, Telugu movies, or Malayalam movies. After entering your search term, press enter to view the results. Using specific language or genre keywords can help narrow down the list and make it easier to find exactly what you want. If you'd rather browse instead of searching, open the Prime Video menu and explore the available categories. You can check sections such as movies, international movies, or foreign films, depending on what appears on your screen. Availability may vary, so some category names might be slightly different, but the goal is to look through these sections for Indian movie titles. When you find a movie that interests you, click on it to open the movie page. This is an important step because it lets you confirm whether the title is actually available for you to watch. On the movie page, check the watch options, the audio languages, the subtitle options, and whether the movie is included, available to rent, or available to buy. Taking a moment to review these details can save time before you start playback. If everything looks good, click Watch Now, Rent, or Buy, depending on the option available for that title. Then wait for the movie player to open on your screen. Once the movie starts, move your mouse over the video player to bring up the playback controls. Click the audio and subtitles icon to adjust your viewing preferences. From there, you can choose from available audio options such as Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, or another original language offered for that film. You can also turn subtitles on if needed, which is especially useful if you want a better understanding of the dialogue or prefer watching in the original language. If you want to save a movie for later, go back to the movie page and click Add to Watch List. This is optional, but it's a convenient way to keep track of films you plan to watch later from your account. And that's how to find and watch Indian movies on Amazon.de using your PC.